People trust PURELL for safe, effective products that reduce germs and support health. Show you care about cleanliness, health and well-being with the PURELL solution. The PURELL solution includes the new ES8 Touch-Free Dispenser with energy on the refill, taking care of your two biggest service issues, dead batteries and empty refills all in one. Built on over 65 years of dispenser engineering experience, the Always Ready ES8 dispenser is our most advanced technology, available for PURELL hand sanitizer and new PURELL brand healthy soap. Built into each refill is a small coin cell battery that provides just the right amount of power to empty the entire refill, cutting maintenance and reducing battery waste by 68% over the life of the dispenser. At a Glance refills lets you monitor product levels with just one look. It's quick and easy. Plus, every time you put in a fresh new refill, it renews the look of the dispenser. Add optional Smart Link modules and you can track hand hygiene compliance, get service alerts and more to keep you on top of the latest technology as it evolves. PURELL ES8 dispensers can be personalized with your logo to make a statement about your commitment to the best in health and hygiene. The PURELL solution includes a complete set of products, all to help reduce the spread of germs while providing no trade-off protection. Ready to learn more? Visit us online.